How to fix Snapchat snaps not sending. So if your Snapchat snaps are not sending, then there could be a couple of reasons with this. You want to first of all start by checking your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, then what you can do is you can simply go ahead and then open up Settings app. From Settings, you might want to go to the option called Apps, and from the app list, you can simply search for Snapchat. From Snapchat option, you can scroll down and go to the option called Storage Usage, and here you can clear the cached files and you can also clear the data. Once you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, check if your Snapchat app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. After you've done that, when you open up Snapchat, it should definitely be able to solve your Snapchat snaps. So now you can try to simply take a particular snap of anything and you can hold to record it and send it to your friends. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.